my goodness. Do you see what I'm seeing out my front window right now? It's like the flying of the birds. Like,
look on your side.
Oh my god. Holy shit.
I've never seen nothing like this. Babe, we're in the midst of all these birds.
I know we are, and I'm kind of scared.
Look, Chase. Uh-oh, look at that.
Oh my god. Oh my god, look at this.
Drive up them.
I don't want to drive up, I'm
They're
scared.
They're all in front of us now.
I know, and I gotta leave. I'm scared. I don't want to drive. I don't want to drive through them. Look at this guy. This guy's like, oh my god. Look at that. It's like a swarm. I can't so zoom in.
Go in front of you.
Oh my god.
Let me see that. I'm gonna get out. I'm not gonna attack you.
I bet not.
I might get shit on. Tornado of birds over there.